Are you trying to get into cryptocurrencies but don't know how? Well, you've come to the right place. What's going on, guys? Ryan here at the Crypto Fiend Studios, bringing you guys the hottest and latest everything crypto related news. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a successful $500 cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, of course, it can be more than $500, but I figured $500 would be a solid starting point for the average day person getting into cryptocurrencies that wants to spend a little bit of change and start investing today. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything from the very beginning of purchasing cryptocurrencies, where to store them, and what to invest in. Also, the risky investments as well as the safer investments. Let's get right into it. Now, the majority of you watching this video are probably just getting into cryptocurrencies. Now, in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy, how to store safe and risky investments, and everything in between. But the first thing you want to do when you are considering purchasing cryptocurrencies as an investment, you want to do your research. Don't just jump into an investment just because you see the price skyrocketing. You need to do your research because you want to know what you're putting your money into. Don't just jump into it because that's how you're going to get burnt and that's how you're going to lose money. So what I want you guys to do is go out there, learn what the blockchain is, learn what cryptocurrencies are, learn what specific cryptocurrencies are, and that every different one is unique in its own way, and really everything in between. Then you go in and invest in cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to be showing you guys a great way that I like to use to really learn about different cryptocurrencies and do some research. So coinmarketcap.com. This is a very commonly used website for the majority of cryptocurrency owners. It's a website that lists the name of the cryptocurrency, the symbol, the market cap, the price, the circulating supply, as well as if you click on the name of the cryptocurrency, they list the different websites for that cryptocurrency. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to go on here, research Bitcoin, research other alternative coins, and look up what these coins offer to the blockchain as well as to the community and everyone in the world, as well as what is it going to do to benefit you in the long term. So again, just do your research on the cryptocurrencies. Other than this website, a great resource to learn about cryptocurrencies and learn what the blockchain is YouTube. Research YouTube videos of what cryptocurrencies are in general, everything in between. Of course, make sure it's credible information, but you guys have to make sure that you research before you invest into anything, whether it's cryptocurrencies, stocks, bonds, anything. Make sure you research it. So once you research it and you're ready to go, you have your money, you want to buy your first cryptocurrency. Now, there are a couple different websites where you can put your credit card in, credit debit card, or your bank account, and purchase cryptocurrencies through that way. Now, the majority of them are either really high in fees or not very recommended and could be kind of risky. So I'm going to tell you guys the most recommended one, which I'm sure you already know. It's the #1 cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Coinbase.com. Now, this is going to be the most used cryptocurrency platform to purchase cryptocurrencies with your credit debit card and your bank account. So I highly suggest just using this platform. It's very easy to set up and get involved in. So simply, you would just come over to Coinbase.com, create an account, fill out your basic information. Now, to sign up for the actual platform, you will have to do an identification process where you have to enter a picture of your ID as well as a picture of your face so they can confirm everything matches up, as well as your age and all that kind of stuff. But once you're all ready to go, you can easily purchase different cryptocurrencies on this platform. Now, I'm not going to be showing you guys how to directly set up a Coinbase account because I think it's very straightforward. Just follow the instructions and you'll get it set up. Also, there's hundreds of videos online of how to create a Coinbase account and get it all set up. So I'll leave a recommended video in the description below for you guys that need the further assistance. So once you get your account all set up, this is what you're going to see. Now, what you're going to want to do once you have your credit card, debit card, and bank account linked, you're going to go over to the buy and sell tab. Now, this is where you have to decide what cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Now, as of right now, you have 4 options. Now, whatever cryptocurrency you decide to purchase, make sure you do your research on it and you know what it is, the benefits of it, what it brings to the blockchain, and what it's going to benefit for you. So, once you decide which cryptocurrency you want to purchase it. Now, personally, in my personal suggestion, my 2 cents to you guys is for new investors, I suggest purchasing Bitcoin. Now, the reasoning for this is Bitcoin is the safest cryptocurrency to purchase out of the four on here. Now, the reasoning for this is because it does have the largest market cap size, so it's going to take a lot more money to flow in and out of it for the price to fluctuate. Now, again, it's your own decision. You can purchase whatever you want, but I would suggest Bitcoin also because you can really just get the hang of the blockchain, see how everything works, see how you can send, receive cryptocurrencies over the networks and all that kind of stuff. So once you purchase your first cryptocurrency, you're going to go over to the accounts tab. This is where you're going to see where your cryptocurrencies are stored. Now, what you want to do is you want to remove your cryptocurrencies from Coinbase.com. Now, the reasoning for this is you don't ever want to keep your cryptocurrencies on an exchange because an exchange could literally do whatever they want to your money, and you don't want to just wake up one day and your cryptocurrencies are gone off your exchange. So I'm going to show you guys a couple wallets that I suggest using to store your cryptocurrencies on. Now, the first one I'm showing you guys is for Bitcoin only. It's the Electrum Bitcoin wallet. Now, the benefits of this wallet is it's a very small downloadable size. So if you don't have a large space on your computer, this is the wallet for you. Also, they do have a seed generator. So what a seed generator is it's a 12-word phrase that generates for you. So if you can't get access to the wallet on that computer, say your computer breaks, your laptop gets stolen, that 12-word phrase, if you enter that into another computer on the Electrum wallet, you will be able to access your cryptocurrencies again. So that's the benefits of the Electrum wallet. The next wallet I'm going to show you guys is a very popular and widely used wallet. It's the Exodus wallet. Now, the benefits of this wallet is they have a large amount of cryptocurrencies that they offer on this wallet, as well as it has the 12-word seed again also. They also have an exchange process where you can convert Bitcoin into other cryptocurrencies and vice versa, which is really cool, and it's a very safe platform as well. So real fast, I'm going to show you guys how you could send your cryptocurrencies from Coinbase to a wallet. Now, every wallet does offer different cryptocurrencies, of course, so make sure whatever wallet you're using is accessible for the cryptocurrency you're trying to send to it. So for this example, we're going to be using Exodus. Now, for example, if I wanted to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to the Exodus wallet, what I would do is I would go over to the Bitcoin tab, go to receive, and then it's going to generate me this address. Now, this address is used to receive cryptocurrencies. So you have to make sure when you enter this address into Coinbase that it's correct. Now, when you go to Coinbase, you're going to go over to the send tab. Now, I don't have anything in Bitcoin, so I'm going to use Bitcoin Cash as an example for this video. And then right here, you go to paste and paste the address into the recipient. And then you type in the amount you want to send and send. So that's how you purchase and send your first cryptocurrencies to a wallet. Now, once you have your first cryptocurrencies on a wallet, this is when you want to decide if this is your final step, if these are the only cryptocurrencies you want to purchase and hold for the long term as on your portfolio as your investment, or if you want to venture out and purchase other cryptocurrencies, do your research, learn about other cryptocurrencies, and purchase other alternative coins. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to show you guys a couple ways of how you can go out and purchase other alternative coins to add to your portfolio. So the first exchange I'm going to show you guys is a place where you can purchase a large amount of different alternative coins. Now, on this exchange, you cannot put in your credit, debit card, or bank account or any form of cash. You have to use Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other cryptocurrency to purchase these cryptocurrencies. Now, I do have a video on my channel of how to use Binance tutorial, so I highly suggest if you are interested in using this Binance exchange, watch that video. It'll teach you step by step on how to use this exchange. Now, on these exchanges, this is where you can purchase a large amount of different cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, this is all the different cryptocurrencies you can purchase. Now, every exchange is going to have different cryptocurrencies that they offer, so you might have to open up a couple different accounts on different exchanges for those cryptocurrencies that you want to purchase. So the next exchange I'm going to show you guys is KuCoin.com. This is an exchange that is rather new, but it's a very secure, easy to use, and safe exchange. They also offer a large amount of different cryptocurrencies. And the last exchange I'm going to show you guys is the Bittrex.com exchange. This exchange is a widely used exchange, but it's starting to die down. Now, the reasoning I'm mentioning this exchange is because they do offer a couple different cryptocurrencies that the other exchanges don't offer yet. So again, you might have to open up a couple different exchanges depending on which cryptocurrency you want to purchase. So this is where you can purchase different cryptocurrencies. Now again, I do have tutorials on all three of these exchanges on my channel. So if you do need to learn how to use these exchanges, go watch those videos. I'll leave them linked in the description. So once you decide if you want to keep Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash as your main portfolio investments, or if you want to venture outward, if you decide to venture outward, you have to decide if you want to have short, safe investments or risky investments. Now, each side has benefits and disadvantages. With the safe side, now the safe side investments, now there's no safe investment in cryptocurrencies. Every cryptocurrency it can be dangerous. It can be very volatile. You have to be prepared when investing in cryptocurrencies to lose whatever you're putting in. So why I'm telling you this is just because you have to be prepared. Now, the safe investments are going to be Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are hands down the safest investments because they do have the largest market cap size. So it's going to take a lot of money to flow in and out of them for the price to fluctuate. Now, the disadvantage with the safe investments of Bitcoin and Ethereum is you're going to have a lot smaller of a return because in order, for example, if you put $500 into Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin would have to go to $23,000 in order to double your money to $1,000. So that's why the safe investments are very safe, but you're not going to get as great of a return. With the riskier investments, which is practically everything else, which is a very risky investment because they're rather new companies, they're just getting onto the blockchain, the market cap sizes aren't as large as the others on the top, the price can fluctuate greatly between these, so you could see a cryptocurrency go up and down 50% in one day. So that's why you have to realize that these cryptocurrencies can be very risky. Now, the benefits with the risky cryptocurrencies is the returns are a lot greater because you could have a cryptocurrency that's 10 cents. If you put $100 into it and it goes up to $1, you made $1,000 off of that little bit of a gain. So that's the difference between safer investments and risky investments is you have to decide which route you want to go. Safer is going to be less returns. Riskier is going to be greater returns. So that's, of course, your own decision to decide, your own due diligence. So that's really it, guys. Once you have your wallet set up, you have your portfolio ready to go. Now, you might have to download different wallets for whatever cryptocurrency you're trying to purchase because every cryptocurrency might have different wallets that they need to use. But once you get going, just stick to it. Again, make sure you do your research on the cryptocurrency you're going to purchase. Don't just buy a cryptocurrency because you see the price spiking. Invest in the cryptocurrency because you enjoy the project, you like the project, and you really believe in the project that they're trying to exceed or have already exceeded. And once you purchase that cryptocurrency, just hold on to it for the long term. Because you're going to have those days where your cryptocurrency is going to go down. It could go down 50, 60%, and that happens. Those days suck. But then you have those up days when they can go up 200%. So you just have to stick to it, believe in the project, and hold it for the long term. Now, I know it can seem intimidating. You don't want to lose your money. You don't want to mess up. But just go out there and do it. You won't mess up. And the greatest feeling of all is when you first invest and start earning profits. So go out there, start today. And if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below. There's no bias on this channel. That's going to be for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe for everything crypto related in the future. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.